Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday, and hope you have a great weekend and hope you're all healthy. Just want to let you know that today marks the final week for the Tupperware Virtual Kit sign up. Become a Tupperware consultant for only $15 or our summer business kit for $60. This kit has the actual products to show. Priced at over $250. So you have two choices to become a Tupperware consultant. You have the virtual kit and you have the summer 2020 kit. So here is what your virtual kit will look like. Doesn't look like a whole lot on the picture. What it entails is just you and your smartphone, laptop, computer, what have you. Whatever you want to run your business with virtually. And that gives you access to your own consultant website plus the customer website. It will give you access to purchasing products, your samples, your catalogs, your brochures, everything you need to run your business, whether it be by catalog or virtually. Either way, you can do just one or you can do both. So that is an excellent price, $15, but it only runs till this Friday. So this $15 offer ends Friday, June the 12th. We also have the summer business kit. This is a little picture of what this includes. That's the summer kit for only $60, valued at over $250 worth of products. And what that includes is the microwave breakfast maker, speedy Mando grater, quick shake container, vet and serve small round set, medium eco water bottle, fridge smart small deep container, That's a bowl, junior silicone spatula, measuring mate set, and no time to waste tote, plus 3 months free pro My Tupperware subscription, which also includes a personal website. So that is basically what the $15 virtual kit is. So you get everything in the summer kit with products, plus the personal selling website. So if this sounds like something you want to pursue or know someone who is wanting to do and looking for work, whether it be a part-time job or switch to selling Tupperware full-time, whether it be virtual or showing the products, now's the time to do it this week. And join us for our Zoom meeting this Wednesday, June the 10th at 6:30. Private message me and I'll send you the meeting link. The next thing I wanted to talk about is you're probably asking, why do I want to join Tupperware? Or how will it benefit me? Well, I'll go over some benefits with you. One is meeting new people, making new friends. Discounts on products. You get up to 35% commission. Free training. The sampling program, where you get to try out brand new Tupperware products that haven't been released to the public before, right before a new brochure starts. We have a free car program, discounts on cell phones, computers, airline tickets. We also offer medical, life, and long-term care insurance benefits. You're helping others. How are you helping others with Tupperware? Well, it's by helping them choose the right products, such as, say, modular mates or fridge smarts. Say they want to reorganize their pantry or they don't have any space in the refrigerator. This is the way to go. This is how you can actually help them, by showing them these products. Plus, they're backed by a lifetime warranty. So once you buy the Tupperware, it is backed for a lifetime. Also, you're helping people by purchasing gifts. Say there's a wedding coming up, or a baby shower, or certain things they need for their new home. You can help them by choosing certain products that will help them. And also, you're also helping other people by providing a job to them, whether it be part-time or full-time, adding some income. Who else could use some extra money, right? So there's many benefits with Tupperware, and also you have your flexible schedule. Work Tupperware anywhere you please, whether it be by showing products at a home party or online. As you know, I posted some videos on some products, so that's how I get to show the public what these products look like and how they work. So, that's also something that you can try too. Also, earn free trips to Hawaii and Disney. We have a college savings plan and much more. So to find all this out, please join me at our Zoom meeting scheduled this Wednesday, June the 10th at 6:30 p.m. Please private message me and I'll send you the meeting link. All right, have a great day and hope to see you there.